We have a lot of wild animals and little kids running around. People just throw their trash on the ground. Of course, it's going to add to the pollution along with just clutter.
I think it's a problem in a lot of major cities, so especially in rivers and whatnot. It's a big pollution in our rivers. I was once in a little science exploring thing for high school, and whenever we had to go and collect bacteria and whatnot in the river, it was just completely cluttered and polluted. It was bad. It was bad. I think that we should switch to some biodegradable materials, things that wouldn't really reduce littering, but reduce the effects of litter.
The other places I've been to, they have like litter patrols or just even self-awareness is a big standard. People think littering isn't an issue, but if they actually see the effects of it, might change their mind just a little bit.